Actually, the scale of the opportunity is still in evolution. It's involved in a few. There are defined programs that are part of the relationship with AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca also, as part of that expansion of the collaboration in specific diseases, is also investing in the company. They will be part of our pipe raising exercise. They will be a minor shareholder in the company in terms of its capital, but an important one in what it means in terms of the endorsement of the technology and the leadership of BenevolentAI.
Well, companies now like BenevolentAI have so many options when it comes to the potential paths to market. And I understand that BenevolentAI had been considering possibly going down the crossover route and doing a crossover fundraise later this year and then a potential listing next year. Obviously, they decided to go down the SPAC route. Can you give us any color as to why they chose this path?
Well, I wouldn't want to speak to Benevolent, but I do understand how they've looked at this opportunity. And one can see a few factors that have actually played in the decision. First, indeed, they were considering a crossover round and a potential IPO with a combination with Odyssey Acquisition. They are in effect doing both at the same time and raising more capital than either avenue would have brought independently of one another. Secondly, it does accelerate its development by having the notoriety of a public listing being a factor of development, a factor also of incentivization for its employees, and a validator by expanding its shareholder base of the strength of the platform. And finally, us as sponsors of Odyssey Acquisition, we are in it for the long term. Two of us will be joining the board of directors. We're humbly we believe that we can bring to the debate Olivier Brandicourt, my colleague, of course, a former CEO of Sanofi, bringing the big pharma experience to the board, and myself as a experienced deal maker and manager, bringing expertise in a different way. But combining all of that, we do hope we can accompany BenevolentAI on its journey, and we're quite excited about it. And we do believe that this is a very attractive investment opportunity for new shareholders as well.